Let's talk about the iPhone 12 mini, and forget the iPhone 12 Pro, the Pro Max. Trust me, this is the one that you need to get. This is the one that you need to buy, and here's why. Let's check it out. First, let's talk about the size. The iPhone 12 mini is the smallest of the bunch, and diagonally, it measures 5.4 inch. And if the numbers don't translate, then you can see how small it is next to the iPhone 12 Pro for scale. With the same flat aluminium sides like its siblings, it makes it super comfortable to hold in hand. And with the small size, you don't have to worry about dropping it. It's very easy to use one-handed, and it fits perfectly in your pocket or your purse. It's the same as the 4.7 inch of the iPhone SE, which is incredible. Only downside for me is that you don't get that big display you need for watching movies, gaming, or reading documents. But the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Onto the camera. The iPhone 12 mini features a dual 12 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel front facing camera, and they perform exactly the same as well as the iPhone 12. And the only thing you're missing here is a telephoto lens, but I'll take ultra wide angle lens over telephoto lens any day. That's just my preference. Otherwise, you don't miss out on taking excellent photos that you can share on your social media, and you even get night mode on all your lenses, 4K videos with Dolby Vision HDR. Next, the display. The iPhone 12 mini's Super Retina XDR OLED display is really sharp, crisp, and colorful with 476 ppi. You can see all the details in your text, videos, images, and even in low light or bright light situations, it just handles it like a boss. I really like the display on it. I never thought I'd say this about any iPhone at all in general. It's also finished in a new ceramic shield so that it doesn't scratch easily, and although my iPhone 12 Pro is scratched already, I haven't experienced something like that with a mini. Next, the performance. The 12 mini has the new A14 Bionic processor chip in there, which is loaded, ready to go to handle all your gaming and everything else. It has 4GB of RAM to support that, and for me, it was no slacker at all. I had the same top tier performance that I experienced with my 12 Pro, and you can even get 5G if that's important to you. Although you have a smaller device, gaming on it was still smooth, and running multiple applications delivered a solid performance there too. And you also get wireless charging on the back that supports that new MagSafe expensive wireless charging that they're selling. Onto the price, the iPhone 12 mini starts from £699 here in the UK, and for me that's priced right when you compare it to what else is on the market. This is a reasonable cost for the same experience you'd get on its bigger siblings. So where does it fall short? You don't get that 15-watt wireless charging that you get on the iPhone 12 models, the other iPhone 12 models. You have restricted 12-watt wireless charging, which is still decent, don't get me wrong, but if that's important to you, then you should skip this one. The entry model is 64GB, which is useless once you load up all your applications, and someone like me coming from something with a bigger storage, trying to transfer my stuff onto it is just a no-go. I have to delete a lot of stuff in order for me to get set up and start using the iPhone 12 mini. Just like my iPhone 12 Pro, and I'm sure some people have experienced it with the iPhone 12 as well, the battery life is absolutely awful. It's shambolic in the sense it doesn't last me a day. Even it tells me some big numbers on screen time, it still doesn't last me the whole day before I need to charge it again. So that's it for the iPhone 12 mini. I hope you guys agree with some of my points, but if you don't, as always, drop a comment below and let me know why. If this is your first time on the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time I upload a new video up on the channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.